ship is over 60 years old.
It was carrying the Mirakuru during the war when it ran aground.
Blood. Slade's. He was bleeding out, dying. Until we decided to give him the Mirakuru.
Not one of your better ideas.
What about my idea for you to fix the sub? You were in the Navy.
The Russian Navy. They taught us how to sink Japanese sub, not pilot them.
Anatoly, please. I know it's a long shot, but if we get the sub operational, we can blow Slade and the Mirakuru out of the water and get the hell off of this island. I mean, unless you have a better idea, this is our only chance of getting home.
Okay, I try.
Like riding bicycle. Underwater.